Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing of an item I bought from a Century 21 department store, and it is my very first Moschino purchase. And can you guess what it is based on this box? It's pretty heavy actually. I got this for a great deal. It was on clearance for, I think it was like originally $300. I got this for $95. Here, let's look at the tag. It was $4.95, and then it was on sale for $1.99, and then I got it for half of that price. So it was like $100 for a $500 blanket. Look at this gorgeous. It is so soft. It is a very beautiful soft throw, and it has a very cute pattern on it. And at the trim, it has Moschino on it. And it is so soft. It's gonna look so pretty on my bed. I love it. What a great deal. Oh, and the other side of it is this dark grayish heather gray on one side and dark black gray on the other side. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you like unboxings like this and the deals that I find. If you want to follow me here, so hit the subscribe button down below, the red button, and hit the subscribe button, and then follow me on Instagram at Designer Haul. See you next time.